Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to create this awesome effect. This effect can be very useful if you record tutorials, or if you want to share screen record in a creative way. First, let me showcase an excellent product that can help you keep your equipment clean. The VSGO electronic air blower is a handheld device that blows away dust and dirt from delicate electronic equipment without scratching or damaging its surface. With a wind power capacity of up to 120 km per hour, this device is ideal for cleaning cameras, lenses and computer keyboards. I purposely dirtied my equipment to demonstrate how effortlessly the VSGO electronic air blower can clean it. It was created to replace compressed air cans and traditional blowers. VSGO electronic air blower is a convenient and effective tool for cleaning your sensitive equipment. To learn more about this product, visit the link in the video description. Let's get started. Open CapCut, tap on the new project and select the video you want to edit. You need to record a video of yourself using your phone, and at the same time you need to turn on screen record on your phone. The first thing you need to do is to add a screen record. Tap on overlay and then select the screen record you record. Position it to match the movements in the main video. Now you can remove the parts you don't need. Tap on the video and then select the fade in and fade out animations. If you want to crop the video, tap edit and select the format and crop tool. Now place the video as you like. Go back and then in blend select filter. Tap on adjust and increase contrast, saturation and highlights. It's very important to increase the contrast to fit your video better. Now you need to add a black background. Tap on add overlay and then select black stock video. Match it with the screen record and then enlarge it to cover the frame. Now go to layer and select option 1. Lower the opacity and then select the split mask. Position the mask so that the darker part is on the same side as the screen record. With the help of this arrow you will get a fade effect on the background photo. Don't forget to add fade in and fade out animations. This is what my video looks like now. Now you can export the video and thanks for watching.